Let's talk about Elon Musk and him having COVID-19 and the potential of him possibly passing away. I'm going to keep this video short because I just started to work out, and I've had a couple people tell me that, you know, they would be completely out of the market of Tesla if Elon Musk isn't the CEO anymore, right? If he's not alive. Do I personally think that Elon Musk has COVID-19? Yes. I think that Elon Musk does have COVID-19, even though it hasn't been an official statement from him. He is saying that he has COVID-19 symptoms. He's not saying that he actually has it, but I 100% feel like he already does, right? What is the case of him passing away? I do think if he passes away, there will be a slight sell-off. I really doubt this will affect Tesla long term. The only real way to compare this is to back when Steve Jobs passed away. Everybody thought that, you know, Apple was going to die off with Steve Jobs, which was the complete opposite. Apple probably sold off a little bit, but ever since Steve Jobs passed away, Apple has done a 10x up until present time. I would take, you know, there's obviously archives and proof that Steve Jobs had, you know, 5 to 10 years of innovations with Apple before he passed away. So I'm assuming and almost completely positive that Elon Musk has the same thing going on with Tesla. If Elon Musk were to pass away today, I would 100% think the same thing. Elon Musk would also have 5 to 10 years, if not even more, you know, kind of product design innovation with Tesla, at least as far as ideas go and where he wants the direction of Tesla, Starlink, SpaceX, Solar City, any other company that he has, right? I would think that he has the exact same thing with every single other company he owns. So I don't think Elon Musk is going to die. I really hope not. I fucking love Elon Musk. You know, he's obviously, you know, a god tier, you know, hero to a lot of people, including myself. But you know, I hope he doesn't pass away. Like no one knows for sure, right? There can be a black swan event and Elon Musk can pass away tomorrow without him knowing, without anybody knowing, right? He can just die tomorrow and there'll be like a market sell-off or whatever, right? Do I think he's gonna pass away? I hope not. Can't say for sure. I don't think he is, but you never know, right? Nothing is ever certain. But in the case that if he were to pass away from COVID-19, would there be a sell-off on Tesla? Of course there is. You know, obviously there's going to be investors that are going to pull out of Tesla because they think that Tesla will be, or not Tesla, but they would think that Elon Musk is the core foundation of Tesla, which it is not. I do think that Elon Musk has well prepared the company to stay afloat for the next 5-10 years, if not much longer than that. And I think he's given them, you know, fair enough guidance and direction to where the company can survive without Elon Musk. Will there be a sell-off? Possibly. Statistically, there might be like a 95% chance of Tesla selling off if it is announced that Elon Musk passes away, right? Do I think that Tesla will go to zero? Of course not. If anything, on the dip of Elon Musk, you know, potentially maybe passing away, which we, you know, hope to God that never happens, I would actually buy more. I would buy a shit ton more Tesla because, you know, Elon Musk passing away doesn't mean that Tesla's going to go to zero. Say the same way that when Steve Jobs passed away, everybody thought that Apple was going to go to zero, that it was dead. Guess what? 5 years later, 10 years later, it did a 10x. So I would expect Tesla to respond the exact same way.